Good morning, Voyagers. We're going to have our morning announcements at this time. Today is the 20th of February, 2019. Our weather today, high of 33 degrees, low tonight of 30 degrees. There's a 70% chance of freezing rain and snow this afternoon. So in particular, when you're walking home, we need you guys to be really safe. Make sure you're using crosswalks when you're walking home. Also, yesterday I followed one of the buses home, and one of the young ladies who got off the bus was on her phone texting, and she crossed the street. She didn't even look up. So please be aware of your surroundings as you're walking to and from the bus and to and from school, and be very careful today with the freezing rain and snow. Our PBS expectation is the cafeteria this week. We've also made some changes within the cafeteria, in particular some assigned seating and that kind of stuff, so please make sure that you are doing those things. So we would like you to be safe at all times, which means that you're walking at all times, keeping your hands and feet to yourself, reporting all spills to an adult. We're asking that you eat your own food, clean up your table and the floor around it. That, again, is that golden lunch tray with an opportunity to win that, and voice level of a 2 within the lunch line. Being respectful means raising your hand to leave the table, using kind words and actions, and placing trash in the trash cans. A couple staff announcements. Our MLK Junior celebration has been rescheduled once again. It'll hopefully be next Tuesday at 8:30 in the morning. Hopefully we'll be able to get it in this time. And then also, this Friday is Popcorn Day. There's a max of 2 bags per student. Our lunch today is Pizza Bosco sticks with Yoplait yogurt, green beans, pears, and some of them crunchy baby carrots. Tomorrow we're looking at some turkey and gravy, whole grain roll, mashed taters, sliced peaches, and some of them yummy, crunchy baby carrots. Some more staff announcements. Chess club is today after school. Student council is today after school. Lego teams. If you're interested, please see Mrs. Steyer or Mr. Sodden. Ms. Steyer is the chair of our grades 4 and 5 team. Mr. Sodden is the chair for our grade 3 team. Team meetings will start next Wednesday, and they'll be held Wednesday and Thursdays. We know there's some conflict there, but I think we have enough students that we can fulfill both all student council, chess club, Boy Scouts, and the 2 Lego teams. Students, if you could please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance at this time. All right, here we go with the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Those are all of our morning announcements this morning. As always, please make sure you're doing things the Voyager way, and go Voyagers!